3 प्रँक कॉल्स ऑलरेडी झालेले आहेत ज्याच्यामध्ये श्रीनी आज जरा चांगलं परफॉर्म केलेलं आहे. मी एकच केलेला आहे आणि तो पण काही एवढा खास झालेला नाहीये. सो आता आपण चौथ्या प्रँक कॉलकडे वळणार आहोत आणि तो मी करणार आहे. तर तो करणार आहोत आपण सोनलला. सो बेसिकली सोनल ला सजेशन मला कोमलनी केलेलं आहे, जिला आपण फर्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये प्रँक कॉलिंग केलेलं. सो सोनल आणि सोनल माझी पण फ्रेंड आहे, पण सोनलचा माझा खूप दिवस झाले काही कॉन्टॅक्ट नाही, काय नाही. सो आय थिंक की तिला माझा आवाज कदाचित ओळखू येणार नाही, पण काही सांगता येत नाही आता, काहीच खरंच सांगता येत नाही, ओळखू पण शकते ती, आय डोंट नो. सो आता आपण तिला कॉल करणार आहोत. बघू मला हा तरी कॉल जमतोय का, नाहीतर
मी जिंकणार आहे.
सो बघूया जमतोय का. मी करते आता. सो आता मी सोनलला कॉल करतेय. मी सोनलशी खूप दिवस झाले बोललेले नाहीये. आय डोंट नो काय होईल, मला ना खूप टेन्शन येते आज विचित्रच बोलायच्या अगोदर, माहिती नाही, पण मी आय एम गोना ट्राय माय लेवल बेस्ट. सो मी आता करते. आय डोंट नो व्हॉट विल हॅपन. ओके.
Hello. Huh? Is this Sonal Kamane?
Yes.
Hi ma'am, this is Riddhi Joshi. Actually ma'am, I'm the head girl of Tanmira Secondary School.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, this year because of the pandemic situation, the principal wants us to organize an online farewell celebration, and she wants maximum seniors from the school to join the meeting. So the
I am so sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat?
Yeah. Of course, ma'am. So because of the pandemic situation, this year, principal wants the farewell celebration to be online. And for that, she wants maximum seniors of the school to join the meeting, as it will be online. So it will be, everybody can easily join the meeting. So will it be possible for you to join the online celebration on 27th October at 11 a.m. in the morning?
I just wanted to ask, how did you get my number?
Actually, ma'am, we got the number from the school register. Rao ma'am gave us the list of the seniors, and we just contacted there, and we got your number.
Sorry, your voice is really breaking. I can't hear you properly.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Now can you hear me?
Just a minute.
Hello.
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 Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. So, ma'am, will it be possible for you on 27th October, 11 a.m.? All you have to do is just join the meeting, and then you will have to speak something as a responsible senior. Or you can do anything, like you can dance, you can sing.
Why do I think that this is a prank call?
No, ma'am, this is Riddhi Joshi from Tanmira's, ma'am. Actually, you know how it works. So everything has to be done by the batch holders. So the teachers told us that this is the list of the seniors. Call them and just inform them. So for that sake, we are doing this. So what is your talent, ma'am? What you will do? Just tell us, please, so that we can just note it down.
Why do you think that I have heard your voice somewhere?
I don't know, ma'am.
It sounds very familiar. Don't you think? I mean, do you even know me?
I don't know you, ma'am. I just got your number from the list.
Which list?
The list which school gave us.
Which?
School gave us. Actually, Rao Miss is in
So who
charge.
else are you contacting in this? Who else is joining?
Ma'am, I think that you were in the batch 2013-14, right?
No, it's wrong.
Because here is the list, the name of the people here. You were in, I think, 10th B section. And
No, even that is wrong. I was not in 10th B.
No, ma'am, because we have a proper list in front of us, ma'am. And the name of the students with your batchmates or your classmates, I may say, are like
Yeah?
Pooja Palrecha, Then we have your Mrunal Vaksaure.
Is this Vaishnavi?
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, Vaishnavi.
Hello, ma'am. This is Riddhi Joshi.
I really don't think so.
Ma'am, I mean, why are you talking like this, ma'am? I don't understand. We have just given this thing to do and we have to
Because
complete it.
your sound is very familiar to me, and I just have a feeling.
Ma'am, I'm glad that I am.
But why are you calling me ma'am? First thing is that.
Because you
Don't call
are
me ma'am.
senior, ma'am.
I am your senior, but I'm not your teacher.
Okay, so what should I call you? Sonal?
You can call
Is
me
that
Sonal,
fine?
right?
Okay, so
Yeah.
Sonal. Okay, Sonal. So just can I ask, will it be
You are
possible for you to
making
join
me
the?
now. Yeah. Sorry, what?
Will it be possible for you to join the online celebration? Because most of your batchmates are willing to join. So
Is
that
Vaishnavi Shinde joining?
Vaishnavi Shinde. Wait a minute, ma'am. Let me check.
Yes.
Ma'am, she was from A division.
No, she was in C.
No, ma'am. We are having a list in front of us.
I think you have a wrong list.
Ma'am, how is it possible, ma'am? How is it
I
possible? You
really
tell me,
think
ma'am.
this is the wrong list you have.
Ma'am, it is like you are doing a kind of prank on me, ma'am. Please don't waste time, ma'am, because we have a lot to do, ma'am. Please take us seriously, ma'am. We are requesting, ma'am. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm-
So, what were you asking me about Vaishnavi? Is she from A division?
No, I think she's in C. Please get that confirmed. I think you have the wrong data and everything.
Because we just got a list and we are having a list of many students. Yeah, because you people were in 13-14, I think. In 13-14
No.
batch.
No.
Then
Even that is not correct. You just check the register now.
Okay, ma'am, we'll do it. But you just tell us, will it be possible for you to join the meeting? Because we cannot deny this to our teachers. Like our seniors are not responding, and they're just not giving us the correct information. So we cannot tell like this to our teachers. It is
Okay,
our
I was just
responsibility.
asking that who else would be joining. That's it.
Yeah, of course I will tell you. Wait a minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, from A division we have 10 students. Ma'am,
Okay.
their names are, we have Samradni Taure.
Yes.
Then we have,
Vaishnavi Shinde.
no ma'am, we have not called her yet.
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, wait a minute.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am, the list is here. We have Samradni Taure. Then we
Yes.
have Meghna Dhaure. Then we have Rasika
No,
Sang-
these are not my batchmates. I mean, really, who are they?
Ma'am, I don't understand. Why are you behaving like this? Ma'am,
But
let
please,
us
I
do our
just
work,
told you to
ma'am.
stop calling me ma'am.
Sorry, Sonal. Sorry.
Yes.
So, ma'am,
Yeah, go ahead. So
Yeah.
these are not my batchmates. Please, can you confirm, like, if my batchmates are joining, then only I'll be able to join it, right?
okay, ma'am. Please tell the names of your batchmates. We will just find out their numbers and then we will contact them. But just give us a rough idea. Will it be possible for you to join the meeting?
Only if my batchmates are joining. I
Okay.
told you, right?
Okay, ma'am. No problem. We will just let you know. And one
Yeah.
more thing, if you will join, if your batchmates are joining, and
Is
then
there not any group or anything for as such? Why didn't you add me in it then?
no, ma'am, we are creating a group. We have not yet created as such, but we are now
So I
creating a
suggest you
one.
should create one soon, and then you'll find out, huh, who would be joining and not.
No, ma'am.
That
Actually,
would be a perfect way.
yeah. Of course,
Yeah.
ma'am. That will be much easier.
Rather than calling each and every one, I mean, there would be like 500 people you'll call then. That would
No,
be too
ma'am.
much
The
for you,
responsibility
right?
has been divided between 10-15 students. All the batchmates are working on it.
Okay.
So it will be a kind of personal invitation. The seniors will also feel good. Ki, Baba, in this in this world of all the social media like Instagram and WhatsApp, it is easier to connect with the people. But if you will call that person, it would be like they will feel special. The school is taking such efforts to get their seniors back, so it will be like,
Yeah, but I would like an invitation too.
okay, what kind of invitation you would like in as such an written format, or what, in what format do you want?
Can you deliver it to my home?
We would of course,
really
ma'am, we would
welcome,
love
yeah.
to. We would love to, ma'am, but in this pandemic situation, we don't think that would be possible to do, because this is much easier.
Okay, so where do you stay? I'll come and get it.
Ma'am, will that be possible? I'll be happy,
Yes,
ma'am.
sure. I'll definitely come.
Ma'am, where do you stay?
Where do you stay? I'll
ma'am,
come and pick it up, right?
Ma'am, I stay in Appa Bhavan Chowk, ABC.
Okay, where exactly there?
Ma'am, do you know that Dagdushet Halwai Mandir?
Yes.
Yeah, behind there is a lane. There is Guru Krupa Society, A wing, 204 flat number.
Okay, so you are just giving a random person your address details. That's really not good.
No, ma'am, because I trust you. You are the, what we may say, you are the.
Yes.
Oh, hello.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you are the senior member of our school. You are the senior student of our school, so I can trust you.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the point in discussing such a long?
Yeah,
thing?
we are just
Just
totally
tell
off
me,
the topic now.
will it be possible for you to join the meeting? Just let us know the rough idea, ma'am.
No, I won't be able to join because I am not sure if my batchmates are joining, and you are not even telling me who my batchmates are, and you are just not sure about anything. So you should, I think, organize this thing a bit properly. So, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you do one thing? Can you just give me the numbers of your batchmates, because you are saying that the information which I have is incorrect. So can you just pass on me the information or
This
the
is your
contact?
WhatsApp number?
Yeah, ma'am. This is my WhatsApp number. You
Okay,
can
then I'll send it in WhatsApp if it's fine.
okay, ma'am. But will
Yes?
it be possible for you to do it before, say, about 6 o'clock?
No, I am busy. Actually, I'm working, so I'm a bit busy.
Okay, ma'am. But
you have the register, right? You can get the numbers from there.
But you are saying that the information which I am having is incorrect. So what is the point in just calling the people as the
So
information?
even now you believe that the information you have is incorrect.
Ma'am, you said that.
You don't believe the school register. You believe me.
Sorry?
You don't believe the school register, but you believe me.
Ma'am, you were in that batch. Maybe it can be an error by the teacher. It can happen because I think.
So you think teachers maintain register?
Yes, ma'am. I got the register from the office. I have the pictures from the register, and that.
Okay, just send me the pictures now, right now. I'll check.
Okay, ma'am. I will send it to you. But please let me know. Will it be possible for you to join the meeting? Just let us know that, ma'am, because we just have to make a rough list of the students, and we have to give the number to our teacher, to our class teacher before.
So when is it? When
28 October.
20?
8 October.
But you said 22nd earlier.
No, ma'am.
What's
28.
wrong with you?
28 October.
No, you said 22nd.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I said 28 October.
Please stop calling me ma'am again.
Sonal, 28 October.
What? What did you say?
You said, please stop
No,
calling
this is
me.
not Sonal. This is Komal.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
What?
ma'am. Are you in your senses, ma'am? Now I'm
Are
getting
you
serious, ma'am.
I am Komal and not Sonal.
Ma'am, this is totally a big tragedy happening with me, ma'am. Please don't behave like this, ma'am. We are your juniors. You cannot treat us in this manner, ma'am.
So,
We look at you, ma'am. We are having a great.
but you don't even know me. You said that.
From
But you don't
ma'am.
even know me. First thing is that.
Sorry, ma'am.
You don't even know me. Right?
Every senior from the school is that much respected personality, and we tend to take inspiration from each and every senior, ma'am. It is not like.
Oh my
I
god, I
don't-
really loved your essay. Great.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But, ma'am, just tell us. Will
Yeah,
you
but
join?
just do one thing.
Yeah.
Get that register corrected because I am Komal and not Sonal.
No, ma'am, this cannot happen, ma'am, because I have just got your number from.
I don't know what is happening with you, really.
Okay,
But
ma'am, I
I'm
will get
so
this
mad.
correct. I will get that checked also. But please,
Okay.
now you are telling me that you will see whether your batchmates will join or not, and then you will get your thing confirmed. But just give me a rough idea. Will it be possible for you? Yes or no?
So do you want Komal to join or Sonal to join? Because you initially called Sonal and now you are asking Komal to join.
No, ma'am. I want Sonal because I'm talking to Sonal.
No, this is Komal.
No, ma'am. You are Sonal.
I'm not believing.
No, ma'am. You are Sonal.
How are you so mad? What about
God, what is this? मला ते करतेय. तुम्ही म्हणताय ही काही डिटेक्टिव्ह वगैरे आहे का?
I know काय चालू. I am just playing along.
मी पण ठरवलं की नाही नाही ते करायचं तुम्हाला आता माझ्या डोक्यात
I know वापस नाही केलं. Good one, huh?
सोनलच
I
बोलते ना?
thought एकदा तरी वैतागून केलं.
सोनलच बोलते ना?
हो, सोनल.
तेच सो फर्स्ट व्हिडिओ पाहिला असेल आय थिंक प्रँक कॉल चॅनलचा.
Of course, yes.
तर मग कोमल मला बोलले की आता आपण सोनलला करूया, सो तुला कॉल केला.
कोमलची आयडिया होती का?
आम्ही डिस्कस केलं, मग कोमल वाज लाईक येस सोनलला कॉल कर. ओके
Yeah.
सोनलला कॉल करते. पण स्टार्टिंग मध्ये खरं वाटलं की असं वाटलं की नाही हा प्रँकच आहे.
आय डोंट नो, मला ना वाटलं असतं पण तुझा आवाज इज लाईक व्हेरी फेमिलियर. मी लगेच ओळखते.
तरी आपण बोललो नाही खूप दिवस तरी.
हो, माय मेमरी इज गुड.
या सो तू सदैव रँडम वर आहेस आणि ह्या व्हिडिओ मध्ये पण आहेस, तर व्हिडिओ नक्की बघ आणि तुझ्या नियर अँड डिअर वन्स सोबत शेअर कर व्हिडिओ.
शुअर. रिली व्हिडिओज खूप छान असतात वैष्णवी. गुड गोईंग.
थँक्यू. चालेल तर मग बघ व्हिडिओ नक्की.
येस शुअर.
येस. ओके चल ठेवू.
येस बाय.
ओके बाय.
गॉड
हा, तू
मला सोनलने अक्षरशः टंगवलं. आणि ती बोलते मी पण बोलते सिरियसली. तिने माझा उलटा गेम केला हे मी बोलू शकते. पण येस मजा आली करायला. सो तुम्हाला काय वाटतं कसं झालं माझं ते फुसच गेलं आजचं.
आता
सो ह्याच्यावरून सिद्ध होत आहे की खरंच केलंय चांगलं आज श्रीनी. मला तेवढं नीट प्रॉपरली आज जमलेलं नाहीये. तर मग तुम्हाला मज्जा आली असेल पहिल्या व्हिडिओ सारखीच. सो मी पुन्हा सांगते, जर पहिला व्हिडिओ पाहिला नसेल तर बघा. लिंक
लिंक पाठव.
हा पाठवून लिंक इथे आहे. सो मग हा तर हा व्हिडिओ पण तुम्ही एन्जॉय केला असेल, मज्जा आली असेल तुम्हाला. आणि जर तसं झालं असेल तर प्लीज व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. तुम्ही व्हिडिओच्या खाली कॉमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये जाऊन कमेंट करा, कारण की मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लाईक ते एन्जॉय. बट आम्हाला कळवा ना की तुम्हाला काय आवडलं, कोणता सेगमेंट आवडला, किंवा तुम्हाला अजून काय सजेशन्स द्यायचे तुम्ही नक्की त्याच्यामध्ये कळवा. कमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये कमेंट करा. आणि त्यानंतर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, व्हिडिओ शेअर करा. शेअर करा प्लीज शेअर करा, कारण की तुम्ही मजा केली ना तर बाकीच्यांबरोबर पण जरा हॅपीनेस स्प्रेड करा. सो शेअर करा. आणि तिथे बेल आयकन आहे. बेल आयकन खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे बरं का. बेल आयकनला क्लिक केलं नाही ना पुढचा व्हिडिओ येईल तुम्हाला नोटिफिकेशन मिळणार नाही. सो यू विल मिस दी फन कॉन्टेंट. सो प्लीज बेल आयकनला क्लिक करा. आणि सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट ते तर कराच, सबस्क्राईब करा यार. सबस्क्राईब करा सदैव रँडम. आणि सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट रहा
सदैव
रँडम. भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत